GoMining recently released one of the biggest updates ever. Simple Earn it is called. Simply said, with this feature you can earn interest on your funds. And the interest rates are out of this world. In this video we'll be taking a look at everything the Simple Earn program offers. How much can we earn and what should we do to maximize our profits? Let's take a look. Before we get started, I quickly want to mention that if you do not yet have a GoMining account, you can create one using the first link in the description. By doing so, you massively help out the channel and you also get a pretty nice welcome bonus for yourself. Now let's continue with the video. To start, we'll need to understand what Simple Earn is. In the introduction, GoMining describes their new service as a way to earn yield on your crypto automatically without having to lock up your funds. They promise one tap to activate, earnings added to your balance every 4 hours, and the ability to withdraw your funds at anytime without lockup. To me, all of that sounds amazing. But how does this play out in practice? Well, honestly, for me it worked flawlessly. To turn on Simple Earn, all I had to do is go to my wallet, click the Simple Earn button here, and then click Enable Simple Earn. As soon as a new 4-hour cycle hits, you'll see your first rewards come in your wallet. Now, if you're paying attention, you're probably thinking, damn, that is some really great rewards. And yes, they are. GoMining offers some of the best APYs on the entire market. 2.6% on Bitcoin, 1.7% on ETH, and a whopping 11.4% on USDC. But what if I told you that we can increase these rewards even further? Let's take a look at my strategy. If you're familiar with the GoMining platform, you probably know that the platform's main use case is cloud mining. On GoMining, you can buy a virtual mining machine which you can use to mine crypto. By building out your mining farm, you can increase your GoMining level, which also increases your Simple Earn rewards. My strategy involves buying miners and using the funds generated by mining to grow my mining farm, thus increasing my rewards even further every single week. With this strategy, we make use of compounding interest, which is one of the greatest things in investing. We're both growing our mining farm and raising our interest rates without having to invest any more money. And that's pretty much it. Simple Earn is, just like the name says, pretty simple. Let me know in the comments what your GoMining strategy is. Are you using Simple Earn or are you simply reinvesting all of your funds? As I always tell you, my videos are just my experience. So make sure to always do your own research. For now, that's all I have to say. See you in the next video.